What is KML? Welcome to this video explaining what KML is. Keyhole Markup Language. That is what KML stands for. It is an XML notation for expressing geographic annotations and visualization within internet-based two-dimensional maps and three-dimensional Earth browsers. Basically, it's a way to store, edit, and visualize geographical elements in 2D internet maps, like Google Maps, and 3D Earth browsers, like Google Earth. It is a Google product for georeference points and maps, basically. Although some other software can also use this type of data, such as ArcGIS and QGIS, for example. The basic types of files are placemarks, ground overlays, paths, and polygons. A placemark is just like a point on a map, for example, and a path could be like a line. And more complex files can be created that link multiple of these elements together. KML files are often available as KMC files, which are just zipped versions of KML files. And it has become an international standard due to it entering the Open Geospatial Consortium in 2008, making more widely used and accepted as a file format for geographical data. To create a KML file, one in Google Earth, one simply needs to select a location to which Google Earth will zoom, and upon reaching this location, up at the top of the screen, if you look at where my mouse is, there are two icons, Add Polygon or Add Path. If you choose Add Polygon, for example, and you put some dots around this bay here, we can call it bay. Okay. You can then right-click this object and save this place as a KML file. Alright. You can save it. You can replace it. And now this is a KML file that is accessible and can be imported into GIS softwares and things like that. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and hope it was helpful.